This is the spotlight I installed 14 years ago. Now it's very light, it's not really bright, and I need to change update to a new one right now. Is the LED lights, very white and soft and nice and bright. So that spotlight look like the old one. Yeah, okay, that's what I'm taking off now. I'm going to replace, that's the new light, spotlight. It's the 9 watt black and white and ground wire. Okay, that's how thin it is. See, the old lights 14 years ago, it cost me like $35 plus tax at that 14 years ago. Now this one costs only around $12.50 for each of it, and this one can be adjusted. It's very convenient. It used to be they can put on the roof, they can adjust where they want to go. So that's I'm gonna install now. Very easy to replace it. Okay, let's do it. បងប្អូននេះជាកម្មវិធីភ្លើងអំពូលភ្លើងនេះចាស់ខ្ញុំតវាតាំងពី14ឆ្នាំមុនណាឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំវាអត់សូវភ្លឺខ្លាំងណាឥឡូវខ្ញុំចង់ដូរមកថ្មីពីក្រោយលើក្រោយនឹងទៀត LED Good thing they can adjust the light. Yeah, you can adjust it like this or this. Okay, let's put another one in. Not that bad. Easy to do it. So we're gonna press this one the same thing, do the same, then we good to go.